I've got a cool trick for you guys in Modern Warfare 3, and this is with the LOCKWOOD Shotgun. It makes it fully automatic. Normally the shotgun has a really long animation for the reload, but this bypasses it, allows you to just rapid fire this weapon. And shout out to BBK, he's the one that let me know about this. We went into game today and messed with it, and it was a lot of fun. With the right setup and attachments, you can just rip through the red zone, and I'll show you guys what attachments are recommended to make this as powerful as possible. And you guys can do whatever you want, but this is what was recommended to me. And shout out to Tag935. He said, yeah, for the muzzle, put on the Crown Breaker choke. Then for the barrel, you want the LOCKWOOD Defender Heavy Long Barrel. And then for ammunition, we're using the 12 gauge slug. Then finally, the bolt. And I don't have this unlocked, but it is the Express Light Bolt is what people are using. Also, I'm not showing it here, but for the stock, people are recommending the sawed-off mod. So yeah, that's an option to think about. And to make this fully automatic, you just want to make sure you have your perks and make sure it's Pack-a-Punch. That's going to give you more power and more speed. And you just hold down the reload button while holding down the fire button. So I'm on PlayStation, so I'm holding down my square button and just holding down R2 both at the same time. This does kind of limit your mobility because that right thumbstick is not being used because you're holding other buttons, but you get used to it. Like, you learn how to line yourself up with the enemies and then just back up and just keep firing. We were in the red zone just ripping things apart, and we just destroyed this mega bomb with no trouble whatsoever. Myself, Tag935, and BBK decided to go into the Red Worm boss fight with our LOCKWOODs, and we were going to use, fully automatic and see how well it did. Again, it was a lot of fun to use, but it wasn't anything overpowered where I would be like, yeah, I want to bring this in every time. I was really having higher hopes for this weapon being fully automatic like this, like it would shred. I mean, yes, it is powerful, but you have limited mobility because of the way you have to fire this, and when you're in the boss fight, you need to be moving around a little bit more. So yeah, it's fun, but I've got other weapons that I would rather bring in to melt this worm with. But this is so much fun to use in tier 1, 2, and 3. Like, you are absolutely mowing everything down. But this is definitely the way to use this weapon now. You're never going to want to go back to the other way. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.